this was the view out in Shell Beach earlier today. Another evening of gorgeous sunsets. Let's take a look at some of the photos you guys sent us using hashtag #BeOnKSBY. This is Melissa's view out in Pismo Beach today. Here's a nice shot as well from Ken. You can send us your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Current temperatures now in Paso Robles, 41 degrees, 55 in San Luis Obispo, 45 in Pismo Beach, and 48 in Lompoc and Santa Maria. Our 24-hour temperature change, kind of a mixed bag at this hour. 7 degrees cooler in Paso Robles, 5 degrees warmer in San Luis Obispo, 6 degrees warmer in Vandenberg, and 4 degrees cooler in Santa Barbara. The big story tonight, of course, are some really strong wind gusts on the way, and today we had some moderate wind gusts. Places like Refugio seeing gusts around 26 miles per hour this afternoon, 22 out in Lompoc and in Mount Low, 25 miles per hour out in Toro Creek. Winds right now in Paso Robles 6 miles per hour, 7 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, and 5 miles per hour in Santa Maria. So check out our wind forecast. Now tomorrow is starting off a little bit on the calmer side before things really start to amplify. This is a look though first at 1 a.m. tomorrow. We're at 20 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, 18 in Morro Bay, 3 in Cambria. Things calm down a little bit, but then a lot of activity from the south and from the east starts making its way towards the central coast, and watch as those winds strengthen as we're heading from Monday afternoon into Monday evening. Now that's part of the big concern tonight, as we are seeing first some of the strongest winds in our mountain areas across both San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties tomorrow. Potentials for gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Foothills, though, still going to see really strong winds as well, with potentials of gusts 49 to 50 miles per hour. Now, along with that comes relative humidity concerns, meaning there's not a whole lot of moisture because it's been so dry over the past month. Really, we haven't seen much moisture at all. Now, to the south of us, similar concerns. They're under a red flag warning too in Los Angeles and Ventura counties, extending through Tuesday evening. Potentials again of wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Firefighters from across California now being upstaffed because of all of these concerns, so it's important to make sure you have your go bag packed because these conditions can change rapidly. Now, all of this is being brought by a low pressure system that kind of broke off from the larger path that was heading eastward. That's going to bring all of that wind and unfortunately no moisture up towards the central coast over the next few days. Now, that's also impacting what we're seeing on the water. So those strong winds going to be creating some serious wave and rip current damage. Potentials for wave heights 22 feet, potentially local sets 25 feet, and dangerous rip currents as well. When waves are over 20 feet, they can really bring damage to piers and other seaside items. So just make sure you're keeping an eye on that if you're planning on heading out to the beach over the next few days. Now, our microclimate forecast shows some cloud coverage passing through really quickly, but other than that, we are anticipating clear skies for the next several days. So forecast for tomorrow going to be a bit warmer than what we had today. 71 for your high in Paso Robles, 77 in San Luis Obispo, and 75 in Santa Maria and Lompoc. Now the coast in Carpinteria, 71, 75 in Santa Ynez and Los Alamos. In the 5 cities, we're looking at 75 in Nipomo, 73 in Arroyo Grande, and 71 in Pismo Beach. And in northern San Luis Obispo County, 68 in Avila Beach, 73 in Morro Bay, and 71 in Cayucos.